Water utilities use a lot of power because they have to, there's a couple of reasons. They have to move water and wastewater across their networks and within their treatment facilities, and that pumping requires a lot of power. Secondly, here at Longlow, we've got some large blowers that provide oxygen to the sewage treatment process, and that keeps our microorganisms healthy and happy to treat Canberra's sewage. This solar PV project, we're planning to install around 1.3 megawatts in total across a number of sites, and that includes the Mitchell office on the rooftop, Stromlo water treatment plant, up at Cotter Dam, and here at Longlow. In fact, we've got two systems planned for here, one behind me here, and one planned for construction down the bottom of the hill. By the time this solar PV project finishes, we would have installed around about 1.3 megawatts of solar PV capacity. The cost of that project, once it's completed, is in the order of $3 million, but we're expecting to save around about $500,000 a year in electricity costs. We're hoping to get a payback of under 10 years. Yep. Because our solar PV system will generate power when the grid needs it most, which is during hot summer sunny afternoons when you've got peak demand events. So our solar PV system can provide broader benefits to the grid in that way. We're currently also looking at new energy management software, which will be able to collate all our energy consumption data, all our generation data, and give us visibility on energy performance and our costs so that we can find more opportunities to improve and operate sustainably for efficiency and further renewables. Other things in the future that we might look at is battery energy storage with maybe some expanded solar PV once the cost comes down and it's cost effective for Icon Water and our customers. Icon Water, we're required to operate sustainably, and this is a great project to showcase how sustainable our operations are. Not only does it reduce greenhouse gas emissions to help mitigate against climate change, but it provides lower operating costs for Icon Water, which ultimately puts downward pressure on our customer bills. So it's a good project for our customers and the community more broadly.